Welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at 5 hunting rifles built to perform in extreme conditions. Whether you're tracking game in freezing mountains or wet forests, these firearms are designed for reliability when it matters most. We'll cover what makes each one dependable, plus the strengths and limitations you should know. Let's get started. Number 5. Tikka T3x Lite. The Tikka T3x Lite stands as a proven choice for hunters facing harsh weather and demanding terrain. This Finnish-engineered rifle combines a lightweight synthetic stock with a cold hammer-forged barrel that maintains accuracy even when temperatures drop below freezing. The stainless steel construction resists rust in wet conditions, making it suitable for coastal hunts or rainy environments. The single-stage trigger is adjustable and remains consistent in cold weather when wearing gloves. The 3-locking lug bolt cycles smoothly even when dirt or moisture enters the action. The detachable magazine system allows quick reloading during critical moments. The rifle's balance point sits naturally for offhand shooting when steady rests aren't available. The modular synthetic stock withstands impacts that would crack traditional wood. Tikka's reputation for out-of-the-box accuracy means less time sighting in and more time hunting. The smooth bolt operation functions reliably after exposure to rain, snow, or dust. This rifle delivers consistent performance across temperature extremes from desert heat to mountain cold. The metalwork maintains its finish through seasons of hard use in the field. Pros: stainless steel construction provides excellent corrosion resistance in wet hunting conditions. Smooth bolt action operates reliably even when exposed to dirt, moisture, or freezing temperatures. Lightweight design reduces fatigue during long treks through difficult terrain. Cons: limited stock customization options compared to other platforms in this category. Magazine capacity is lower than some competing models for extended hunts. Aftermarket accessory selection is smaller than more common American brands. Number 4. Browning X-Bolt. The Browning X-Bolt represents decades of refinement in hunting rifle design for extreme environments. The Inflex recoil pad reduces felt kick during extended shooting sessions in the field. The adjustable feather trigger maintains crisp performance, even when operating in freezing rain or snow. The 3-lever feather trigger system is sealed against moisture and debris intrusion. The bolt unlock button prevents accidental openings during rough mountain climbs. The short throw bolt design allows fast follow-up shots when game movement demands quick reactions. The free-floated barrel delivers consistent accuracy as temperatures fluctuate throughout the day. The tang safety can be operated silently for final stock approaches. The detachable rotary magazine sits flush with the stock for smooth carry through brush. The composite stock resists warping and humidity that would damage traditional materials. The matte blued or stainless finish options both shed moisture effectively. The X-Bolt's receiver is drilled and tapped for scope mounting in various configurations. This rifle maintains zero, even after being transported in rough vehicle conditions. The bolt stays reliable after exposure to sand, mud, or coastal salt spray. Pros: adjustable feather trigger system performs consistently across temperature extremes and weather conditions. Short bolt throw enables faster cycling for quick follow-up shots during hunting situations. Inflex recoil pad significantly reduces felt recoil during extended shooting sessions. Cons: heavier overall weight compared to ultralight mountain rifles in similar categories. Rotary magazine design can be slower to reload than detachable box magazines. Higher price point than entry-level options with similar reliability ratings. Number 3. Ruger American. The Ruger American brings practical reliability to extreme hunting conditions without unnecessary complexity. The synthetic stock is bedded with aluminum pillars that maintain accuracy even after hard impacts. The cold hammer-forged barrel delivers consistent groups whether shooting in desert heat or alpine cold. The power bedding system prevents stock flex that occurs with temperature and humidity changes. The Ruger Marksman adjustable trigger can be set lighter or heavier based on hunting conditions. The tang safety is easy to reach while wearing heavy gloves in cold weather. The rotary magazine design functions smoothly even when packed with dirt or snow. The action is designed with generous tolerances that prevent binding when contaminated with debris. The soft rubber butt pad absorbs recoil effectively during sighting sessions at the range. The rifle's matte black finish resists scratches and wear from brush and rocks. The barrel is free-floated to maintain accuracy as the stock expands or contracts with moisture. This rifle cycles reliably after being dropped in mud or submerged in stream crossings. The simple design means fewer parts to fail during multi-day backcountry hunts. The receiver accepts standard scope mounts for easy optic installation. Pros: power bedding system maintains accuracy despite temperature changes and rough handling in field. Generous action tolerances prevent binding when dirt, sand, or moisture enters mechanism. Simple design with fewer complex parts reduces potential failure points during extended hunts. Cons: trigger feel is less refined than premium competitors even after adjustment. Stock quality feels less substantial than higher-priced synthetic options available. Factory barrel may require break-in period before achieving best accuracy results. Number 2. Weatherby Mark V. The Weatherby Mark V is engineered specifically for hunters who demand reliability in the harshest conditions imaginable. The 9-lug bolt design provides exceptional strength and locks up tight even after years of hard use. The Mark V's action is machined from solid steel bar stock for durability that outlasts cast or forged competitors. The 6-position safety allows precise control when stalking game in dangerous terrain. The fully enclosed bolt sleeve protects the shooter's face from gas in the unlikely event of a primer failure. The cold hammer forged barrel maintains accuracy through extreme temperature swings encountered during mountain hunts. The match-quality trigger breaks cleanly even when wearing thick gloves in sub-zero conditions. The composite Monte Carlo stock provides consistent cheek weld regardless of weather exposure. The hand-laminated stock construction resists cracking from impacts that would damage lesser materials. The Griptonite panels provide secure handling in wet conditions or when hands are cold. The factory accuracy guarantee demonstrates Weatherby's confidence in their manufacturing standards. This rifle maintains 0 after being transported in aircraft cargo holds or vehicle gun racks. The metalwork resists corrosion even in coastal environments with salt spray exposure. The Mark V represents a lifetime investment for serious hunters facing extreme environments. Pros: 9-lug bolt design provides superior strength and consistent lockup through extended use. Fully enclosed bolt sleeve protects shooter from gas escape during any malfunction events. Factory accuracy guarantee ensures reliable performance straight from the manufacturer. Cons: heavier weight makes it less ideal for ultralight backpack hunting in steep terrain. Action length can make it slightly slower to cycle compared to shorter bolt designs. Premium construction results in higher investment than many competing hunting rifles. Number 1. Savage 110. The Savage 110 tops this list for its unmatched combination of reliability and field-proven performance in extreme conditions. The AccuTrigger system is user-adjustable and functions flawlessly even in freezing temperatures or after moisture exposure. The button-rifled barrel delivers exceptional accuracy that remains consistent through hundreds of rounds. The AccuStock system uses aluminum bedding pillars that eliminate accuracy shifts from humidity or temperature changes. The detachable box magazine allows quick reloads and can be removed for safe carry through difficult terrain. The synthetic stock is reinforced at stress points to prevent cracking during rough handling. The matte-finished metalwork sheds water and resists corrosion in wet hunting environments. The bolt disassembly is simple for field cleaning after exposure to sand or dirt. The 3-position safety allows loading and unloading with the safety engaged for additional security. The oversized bolt handle provides positive operation even while wearing heavy winter gloves. This rifle has proven itself across decades in conditions from Arctic hunts to tropical jungles. The action cycles smoothly even when gritty with dust or partially frozen with ice. The barrel remains free-floated to maintain accuracy as the stock responds to environmental changes. Pros: AccuTrigger system remains crisp and adjustable, even after exposure to moisture and freezing conditions. AccuStock aluminum bedding prevents accuracy shifts caused by humidity and temperature fluctuations. Simple bolt disassembly enables thorough field cleaning after contamination with dirt or debris. Cons: stock appearance is purely functional without the aesthetic refinement of premium competitors. Factory magazines can be less refined than aftermarket options from specialty manufacturers. Bolt finish may show wear faster than some competing rifles with premium coatings. Those are 5 hunting rifles that deliver reliability when conditions get tough. Each one has proven itself in real hunting situations where failure isn't an option. Consider what matters most for your hunting style, weight, accuracy, or weather resistance, and choose accordingly. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more hunting gear content. See you in the next one.